All right. This is Ken Blevins. This is day one of recreating REO Maestro. If you didn't watch the first introductory video, all it was a 5 minute dialogue of me explaining the REO industry and what it was like to create REO Maestro the first time around back in 2004, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 2010, 11 before we started just maintaining it and not really adding any new features. But what was hundreds of $1,000s, if not a couple $1 million to create, you can now recreate today using the AI tools and vibe coding, which is what I'm attempting to do here, and then I'm going to chronicle it. And so this is day one. This is what I've created inside of Base 44. I've renamed it REO Maestro, and it's just common language that I'm using to create the platform. And so I've just given it prompts over the last 5, 6, 7, 8 hours today. Actually, it's only been about 6 hours, and this is what I've created so far. And so right now, I've got a dashboard, and then I've got five other modules over here: properties, clients, vendors, and settings. And so I'll just go through and show you real quickly what it's created here. But I've got a dashboard. I haven't spent any time on this. The system created this. I really don't like the look or layout of it, but it's not my highest priority right now. So I'm just let it be what it already created. Properties. This will show the properties that I have in inventory. I haven't added them all. I've just been playing around with a couple in here just to show you what it's like. When you click into a property, what you can see. So it pulls in the property address as well as a photo, some of the property details. I don't like these key dates or access details here. I'm going to change some of it up. But inside of the property details, I've got property, I've got contacts. Those are the two things that I've been working on right now. And as you can see, HOA, there's no information valuation, listing, MSRs, tasks, notes, files, none of that, exists. It's got nothing in there. So I just really have the property details and then some client information so far on that record. Clients, this is where you can add a new client. So you just click into it, add your client and the details. And then inside of the client details, you can also add the client contacts. And so I've just got two contacts in here right now. I need to go through and update all of these and add them in and everything. But I just wanted to show you quickly, what we've built, so far. Same thing for vendors. This it created and just threw in some fake vendors in here. I think it's kind of funny that it actually has Safeguard in here as well as a vendor, because there is a big prop pres company out there called Safeguard. But I did not add that in. It just created fake data to populate the table in here for vendors. And then settings. It's got a back end for admin, and then I can add asset manager roles, viewers, and things of that nature. So not a lot, yet, but it's kind of cool that, again, just with a few hours of vibe coding, that I at least have the basis, the engine, for this, and I'll just keep enhancing it, and keep creating it. And so that's the power of these tools. In a few days, in a few hours, you can create something that, is really, it's something that you just couldn't even fathom creating, even 2 or 3 years ago before vibe coding existed. You needed a programmer and, hundreds of thousands of hours and a whole team to create what I'm going to hopefully recreate here in, a few weeks. So stay tuned. That's day one. You can see what we've got started here. And I will keep updating this as we go along. All right. Thanks for watching.